I am still trying to wake up here. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, December 13th. Let's be honest, Friday and Saturday are the real weekend because Sunday is like pre-Monday. So while Sundays can be a bit overwhelming and I'm still trying to piece myself together from staying up late yesterday, today's video is going to be a little bit of a vlog where I'm going to go through some of the motions that I usually do on Sunday to help with my reset from last week and to get ready and prepped for an entirely new week this week. I'm going to start by making an itemized list on my phone of things that I want to accomplish today. So today the big things I have on my to-do list are I'm gonna go get my steps in this morning at the gym. After that, I'm gonna do some Amazon Christmas shopping. I have some people that I want to buy some presents for, and I'm gonna work a little bit on a DIY present that I'm working on for my mom. There's some coffee at some point in here, and then I'm going to get some food from H-E-B for my meal prep. And that's pretty much all we have on the agenda, so let's get started. I decided to put on my hat. Morning, Kimchi! Okay, I got all changed. I'm putting on my shoes now. I showed you guys the pre-workout that I have. This one's fine. I always tend to go for sour flavors. I just feel like it kickstarts me in the morning. The pre-workout does have caffeine in it, and it'll sometimes make me a little bit itchy. So I always try to chug it down really fast and then head to the gym right after. Whoa, it's like super foggy today. Check it out. Whoa. Alright, I just got here to Gold's Gym. I don't think I've talked about this in my videos yet, but as of the last 2 months or so, I'm kind of on a weight loss journey. I've lost about 5 pounds in the past 2 months, which is great to actually see progress. And it's just a really basic 3 days a week of workout and then any extra cardio that I can fit in throughout the week. The progress is slow, but it's really exciting to see small changes that you make a big difference over time. And I'm really hyped and ready to go now. Alright, workout done. I got some groceries. Now what am I doing? So now I'm gonna go home. It is freezing right now. It's 53 degrees. Okay, that's not that cold, but the wind is blowing. It feels like 30. Yo, I was just talking about how cold it is outside, and tell me how I just saw a man running in shorts, barefoot, on the sidewalk. It's one of those times where I look at someone running and I'm like, are you running out of desperation right now, or are you exercising? You know I had to do it. And now that I'm in a chill mood, I'm gonna listen to Taylor Swift's album that came out this weekend. Thank you so much. Okay, I am home and sweaty from my workout. I've got coffee. I'm gonna drink this and then I'm gonna take a quick bath. And I'll catch you guys up when I'm out. Okay. We're back and I feel pretty accomplished so far. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is get a little bit in the Christmas spirit. I got my Christmas sweater on and I'm gonna go on Amazon and order some stuff now. Sorry in advance to the Amazon workers in Texas for leaving my shopping to the last minute. Now it's time to talk about Christmas presents. I want to know if you guys have found anything cool for your friends or family this year. Please let me know down in the comments. Help all of us out, okay? All of us last minute shoppers. So let's do this. Kimchi. Okay, that took a while, and I'm so happy that I ordered these today because the very last one arrives next Sunday, a week from today. So, phew, okay, dodged a bullet there. Everything should be arriving before Christmas. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on some meal prep for the week, and I'll bring you guys along for that. This is the fajitas that I'm gonna be using. It's top round steak, which I recommend. I'm gonna be doing the bell peppers and onion as well on the grill. I'm going to make rice, just normal rice. I'm only gonna add some cilantro and lime, make it cilantro lime rice. And this is the grill that I've got going at about 350 to 375 will work. And this looks yummy, so I'm gonna go ahead and have this for dinner. And then the last thing that I'm gonna do for today is work on my mom's Christmas present. So I'll show you guys how that works. I'm pretty much making like a string art. So that's the plan. I hope it comes out good. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like this video if you really liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.